It's true that I'm one of a kind, and I'm showing love to me, myself, and I. Hey, so don't blink, cause I might not be here when you wake up from this dream you're living, dear. I'm too good to be true.
Hello and welcome to India TV. I'm Shivangi and today is day 7 of India Couture Week.
I take back the money that you think you gave to me. Build in my own way, on prosperity.
Well, आज दो शोज हैं. पहले है आयशा राव का जो इस बार डेब्यू करने वाली हैं और उनके लिए शो स्टॉपर बन रही हैं सारा अली खान.
I cannot deny to give it one last try. You left me high and dry.
दूसरा जो शो है दैट इज बाय रिमझिम दादू और उनके लिए शो स्टॉपर बनेंगी इस बार खुशी कपूर.
Come on, baby, dance with me all night long. To you I belong. Your love is like a melody.
लेकिन शो शुरू होता है उससे पहले बात करते हैं एक्टर्स से, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से और जानते हैं उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस के बारे में.
Fashion is basically a way of expressing yourself. No matter what you wear, if you're confident, you're fashionable.
What are you expecting from Aisha Rao today?
So I'm expecting some contemporary and modern designs. I love how she plays with colors and yeah, I'm really excited for the show.
How would you explain her work in one word?
Draped sarees, that's all I know about her.
Aisha, tell us about what you're wearing.
Sure, my outfit is from Forever Shine Bright by Hashmeen and I just love how it fits me.
It's true that I'm one of a kind, and I'm showing love to me, myself, and I. Hey, so don't blink, cause I might not be here when you wake up from this dream you're living, dear. I'm too good to be true. The way I'm moving got you in a trance. You're lucky if I talk to you. I'm a vibe, yeah, I'm a whole mood. Watch out, make way, cause I'm coming through. If you're in,
I'm so excited to see what Aisha has in store. I've always loved her brand. I think she has an edge to her that is really hard to find these days, and I just cannot wait. I feel so beautiful in her outfits. Everything from the designs to the way they fit to your body, and they make me feel so feminine and beautiful. So I just cannot wait to see what's in store.
And how would you explain her work in one word?
Her work is creative, but there's also a traditional essence to it, which I really, really love. It's not leaning too much towards modernism, but it's still got this traditionalism to it that we love about the Indian culture. And
So tell us about your outfit, what you're wearing.
I am wearing Aisha. Luckily, I feel so grateful to be in this, and I have never felt more beautiful. It's such a simple outfit, and I feel so comfortable. But the intricacy and the details, I cannot stop staring at myself.
I'm too good to be true. The way I'm moving got you in a trance. You're lucky if I talk to you.
So Aisha Rao show is about to begin and we have Bollywood actress Trinetra with us. Trinetra, what are you expecting from Aisha Rao today?
I just think something I've never seen before because it's obviously her debut at Couture Week, and I think Aisha's been in touch in a personal capacity for a long time, and I just have so much love and admiration for everything that she's done. In fact, she'd done one of the episodes for Made in Heaven. That's how I found out about Aisha, and she's put me in this incredible sari today, and I am so comfortable in saris. I love saris. So yeah, I think it's going to be something that we've never seen before.
I feel electricity down to the ground. Your mind is a mystery, working it out. I feel electricity round and around. I'm lost in the symphony.
You are an influencer yourself. Tell us what are you expecting from Aisha Rao today?
I'm expecting a lot of tulle, a lot of embroidery, everything beautiful and fantasy.
And how would you like to explain her work in one word?
I think it's very princess feel.
Tell us us about what you're wearing.
I'm obviously in Aisha Rao and I do feel like a princess in it.
What is fashion for you?
Fashion is fun for me. I like it when we change from a sari or a ghagra to something super western to just jeans and t-shirt. It's about being a chameleon.
And do you have any personal favorite designer whom you want that they should create an outfit for you?
Oh my god, I love so many and I do collect them. But Sabya is on the top of the list. Rahul Mishra because of the drama, it's lovely. And I just saw Jayanti's show yesterday and I thought it was lovely. The work was beautiful.
Super excited because this is her debut and I love her collection. You know, it feels like you're underwater. So that's what I love. Colors, I think they are so like, you know, they're bright, they're vibrant. Like I said, it gives a nice underwater feel, like you're underwater. Feel like a mermaid. And I'm wearing Aisha Rao. So it's an off-shoulder top / blouse with a nice, you know, like with an extra bounce. The skirt is nice and big. So, you know, the top and the thing, it's almost like an Indo-Western vibe. Like this is more Indian and this is more Western.
This is the rhythm of house music. Set me free. Set me free.
So we all witnessed magic through Aisha Rao's collection. Now I have Chandni and Danika who also witnessed the same. Chandni, how would you express, you know, the collection? What did you feel?
I felt since we are almost completing the FDCI, I felt she is fresh, she is new. It's her debut show. She is the go-to designer for the next year and the coming years. And I'm wearing her already, so I love it and I loved it. I love the elements and I love the glamour and I love even the subtleness there. So I loved everything about it.
Danika, what was your favorite part from the collection?
Lots of colors. I think colors is what Aisha Rao makes Aisha Rao, you know, and a lot of florals, and you can see, like, even on my sari, there's so many flowers, you know. They are super glamorous and beautiful and subtle at the same time, so I think.
Smack, smack, blow a kiss with my cherry lip gloss. Got the fit, got the drip.
Fashion for me is representing myself. So whatever mood I'm in, that what comes out. So, you know, that's fashion for me. And, you know, comforting, getting the luxury of doing anything you want. That's what you get with fashion.
Protect my energy, my cherry lip, baddie century, femme supremacy, leave a hot pink legacy, my cherry lip, Leo rising, I was born on earth to light.
Well, everyone is talking about the shimmers, glitters and colors of Aisha Rao's collection. लेकिन सारा अली खान को इसके बारे में क्या कहना है? Let's check it out.
Built me a massive global empire. Starstruck when they see me on the street because I am a star. Name written on the concrete of home.
This is Aisha Rao. She was with me for my rehearsal. She was with me for my fittings. She was with me the whole time. She was all there and she was just always like just supportive and she's like, you know, you're going to be good, you're going to be good. Itna sun ke, you just tell yourself you're going to be good and then you try, you know. And the outfit just, I think, speaks for itself. It's girly, it's young, but I think it's also elegant and graceful. And that combination is always exciting. So yeah, I think this was all Aisha.
We had been given a very specific brief by our sponsor, Kohler. They wanted the collection to be wild at heart, an ode to nature. They wanted to bring the outdoor, indoor, and it was from the very beginning, from get-go, the synergies were perfect. They were aligned because this is so up our alley. An ode to nature, a maximalist ode to nature is what we do best.
Dancing across the room, lost in the beat, but I still notice you. If you like what you see, then you know what to do. You know what to do.
They had told us that their hardware is metallic, right? They had told us to incorporate metallics. And this was the perfect platform for me to bring in loom products. So what you see, a lot of Banarasi fabrics, a lot of Banarasi saris were used on the ramp. I'd like you to go back and see there was a rose gold, gold, silver, gunmetal, 4 ladies, all 4 representing the Kohler hardware, the colors that they do. They have accents, right? They have gold, rose gold, silver, stainless steel, and gunmetal. And that was embodied within the collection through the Banaras fabrics. So I'm really grateful that I got to do it.
Self-expression and sometimes being the muse of somebody else's expression, you know, it's a combination of both. But I think that whatever you do, you have to make sure that you wear the outfit as opposed to the outfit wearing you, you know, that's important.
I feel electricity down to the ground. Your mind is a mystery. Working it out. I feel electricity round and around. I'm lost in the simple
Sara Ali Khan was a showstopper. How much time it took to get her ready dress?
So the minute we decided that what is the one metallic color that we want to highlight, rose gold instantly came to my mind because it's a color that, you know, most young girls connect with, day wedding, night wedding, whatever. It looks beautiful, it's pastel. So that's what we did. We highlighted rose gold as a color from Kohler, and we did very soft tone-on-tone embroidery. Could be worn in day, could be worn at night. And yeah, I thought the blouse style was very young, modern. The lehenga had pockets. It had a very different, waistline.
How do you see the Indian fashion in the world in future?
I think it's already there. We've made our global presence. I mean, so many of us, our colleagues, are already, showcasing at the best fashion weeks and couture weeks abroad. And finally, time for India to shine.
Well, Aisha Rao का तो डेब्यू शो था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी it was spectacular. लेकिन अब बढ़ते हैं अगले शो की तरफ, which is by Rims and Dadu.
I take back the money that you think you gave to me. Build in my own way, own prosperity. You think you have the power to use my name.
Well, Rims and Dadu के कलेक्शन के लिए शो स्टॉपर बन रही हैं खुशी कपूर.
Don't do me any favors, 'cause I ain't for free. I see your exploitation.
आइए जानते हैं उनसे कि how is she feeling in this collection.
I feel like we have one communal wardrobe, so everything that's hers is automatically already mine, so I don't think I can count it as stealing. I'm feeling great, I'm feeling powerful, I feel like there's a sense of structure and fluidity at the same time, and I feel like it's really empowering to be in a traditional outfit that has a twist like this, with the materials that Rimzim has decided to use. I'm feeling strong and I'm feeling great. I honestly think I can say that this is the first time I've really felt easy and comfortable and confident while walking the ramp. I've not done it many times, but I feel like I felt so in my element today because I loved what I was wearing, and I think there's just a sense of comfort in these clothes because they're so strong and powerful, and I think I kind of resonated with that a little bit.
And the best thing is, even though Khushi may have walked for a few shows, but this is her debut at India Couture Week.
I feel like, in a sense, my job is kind of telling stories, and I think when designers and someone as creative as Rimzim puts me in an outfit, I feel like it's kind of my duty to be a part of that story and do it justice. So I feel like when I put this outfit on, immediately I felt strong and empowered. So I'm just grateful and happy to be a part of this with you.
Well, Rimzim Dadu ka collection was all about giving traditional outfits a modern touch. आइए बात करते हैं रिमजिम दादू से जो बताएंगी कि उनके कलेक्शन के पीछे इंस्पिरेशन क्या थी।
The collection this time was inspired by the Banjara tribes of Gujarat. And I was inspired by their crafts, their weaves, the way they wear their jewelry, and how their jewelry is always, it's kind of weathered with time, so it's oxidized and it's beautiful. And I wanted to recreate it in my signature materials, like steel wires and metallic cords. And yeah, I think pretty much took from the traditional crafts of mirror work, bandhani, patola, but like tried to redo it in our way.
Well, I'm sure Rimzim Dadu के कलेक्शन से आप इम्प्रेस हो ही गए होंगे। But let me tell you कि अभी हम लेकर आएंगे और भी सारे डिजाइनर्स कलेक्शंस with more fashion, style and attitude. इसलिए बने रहे इंडिया टीवी के साथ।
I take back the money that you think you gave to me.